maximizing your chances for the Incentiv Network airdrop. Incentiv Network is a new Layer 1 blockchain designed to simplify blockchain interactions and drive mass adoption. By leveraging account abstraction, it eliminates complexity, making it easier for users to engage with blockchain technology. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you qualify for the Incentiv Network airdrop. To get started, visit the official Incentiv Network website. We will be providing you with the link in the comment section or in the description. Click on I agree to accept the terms, then select Let's Start to begin. The first step is to connect your X, formerly Twitter account. Authorize the app and follow Incentiv Network's official X account. Once you've completed this, the task indicator will turn green, confirming success. Next, connect your Discord account by clicking on Connect Discord and authorizing the app. Accept the invite to join their official Discord server, then return to the website and wait for the task indicator to turn green. Similarly, for Telegram, log into your account, accept the incentive request, and join the official Incentiv Network Telegram group. Go back to the website to verify completion. After completing the social tasks, connect your email by entering and submitting your email address, which will be used for airdrop notifications and future updates. Once done, claim your incentive badge. You can then copy your referral code and share it on your social media to invite friends. The more people you refer, the more points you earn. To maximize your rewards, keep an eye on the official website and social media for new announcements. Participate in additional tasks once the testnet goes live and stay engaged with the community. That's it for now. Follow these steps to qualify for the Incentiv Network airdrop. Make sure to stay updated on their socials for future tasks and announcements. And don't forget to follow us for more airdrop guides. See you next time.